Welcome. If you've been struggling with videos not playing in Gmail, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore some effective solutions to ensure you enjoy seamless video playback. Let's dive into the steps. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for videos to load properly. Second, update the Gmail app to the latest version. Head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store and look for updates. Third, clear the cache and data in the Gmail app. To do this, go to Settings on your Android device, tap on Apps, find the Gmail icon, then tap on Storage, and finally, select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Next, don't forget to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve playback issues. Fifth, verify the video format. Make sure the video format is compatible with your device, as some formats may not work with the Gmail app. Lastly, if the video still won't play, try downloading it and using a different media player app. By following these steps, you should be able to enjoy your videos without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.